model, 2017 Vauxhall Vivaro Trafic Combi 1.6 Cdti by T 9-seater minibus Euro 6 no VAT. Body, silver, minibus. Mileage, 101,965. MOT, the 24th of May 2026. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6 125 PS BITURBO S, SB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. No warning lights on. Genuine low mileage for a 9-seater factory minibus, 12 months MOT ready to go with no VAT to pay. What an absolute bargain. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition, reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear seating area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest minibus. Features: 1 former keeper, parts